The new Palomino Puma 13 QBX is the perfect ultralight couples or small family RV that is budget friendly and can sleep three. Introduced at the show for $15,000, it has all the conveniences of a large RV, and at a length of 21 feet 6 inches and with a weight of 3,880 pounds gross, you may already have a vehicle big enough to tow it. Outside you'll find a 13-foot electric awning and cargo doors to access the basement. Inside is a walk-around queen bed, shirt closets with nightstands, and overhead storage. Air conditioning is included along with a 20,000 BTU furnace and an electric gas water heater. The kitchen has a stainless steel microwave, a 2-burner stove, and overhead storage. The 12-volt fridge is 11 cubic feet. The rear bath offers a shower tub combo and a medicine cabinet. The dinette converts for sleeping and has overhead storage.